Anyway, these are some cute little pendants. It's actually really nice. Right now we're just looking at nice original stores here. I quite like them. Some watches. Nobody actually lost the Rooney and all that. Is it? It's actually really nice. I'm filming a vlog. So right now we have to look for them because we lost them or some crap like that. So yeah, these are some market stalls. Really nice. Oh my gosh, look at these sweet stalls. Look. Haribo. Oh my god, look at ice. Thank you. Yeah, I'm recording. Say hi. These are some kind of lantern. I'm not gonna read that. I just keep smelling like meat. I need meat. I know. I feel like candy. Oh, candy. Candy. It's really feeling like Christmas, even though it's not Christmas.
Hey, look how wonky this is.
What?
It's so that way. I see what you mean, but you can't. It's what you can't.
Yeah, am I the only one who's never really liked candy floss?
Candy floss is really good.
Wow, this kind of nice. Those rides in America, you know?
Yeah, mate.
Oh, that's just like little children. I'm gonna go see it from the front. Looks like this is like a nice Christmas market setting, right? Look, you can see like all the teddies and all that. It's actually cute. You know, I'm never actually good at these games because I suck. There was one down there. What the hell is that? Oh my god, what the hell is that? Oh my god, oh my gosh. Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god. No, I would actually try for this, but too bad I suck. Yeah. They're taking a picture because they're posers. I don't even know what the hell they're doing. Inside some food store place. Whew, I'm glad to be inside right now. It's like raining. And all that, so yeah. It kind of smells like drugs in here. Everything smells like drugs lately, I don't know why. A lot of people kind of chilling out here because it's like freezing out here. Some really nice food. Bored life, you know? It's like really bored life. You know what I'm saying? Oh my god, food! What's like our food? This way to the barbarian village, like, what the hell? What kind of name is that? Is this alcohol? We're not allowed in here. This is alcohol, man. It's haram. Sorry. Yeah, sure. Why can't we be here? It's sticky on the ground. It's like, it just seems to be like an alcoholic place. Well, not alcoholic, but you know when there's like alcohol everywhere? Yeah. Everywhere. Some kind of food. Oh my gosh, it's coming down heavier. We're staying here. But it's cold. Oh my gosh, this feels so nice. Just waiting for my friend to get back. So we're just kind of chilling out. Yeah. Yeah, it's warm here. That's really nice. Yeah, I love how they're leaving us. Finished eating, as you can see. It was in a red like a newspaper. Here's my friend. I didn't wait for her at the bus, like at the train station, so now she's angry at me. Evil. What was that? What was that? Where's your torch? You actually legally have a torch. Is it illegal to carry a torch? Yeah, it is. It's the most random shit ever. It's not working. It is. Yeah. You're in it. Did you get You just had hot chocolate. That's